Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're installing a new roof in the city of Springfield, Virginia. Everything is coming along really beautifully. Now, the old roof was only about 4 years old, but it had to be removed and replaced because the way the original contractor did the installation was very bad. He had the air pressure set too high for the nail guns, so the nails were going right through the shingles. Also, he was only installing 3 nails per shingle, and also the contractor was fastening the shingles too high. So when I originally came here, I saw the shingles draping down in a lot of different areas. Also, the shingles blew off in many areas too. Now here I wanted to show you something. The fastening procedure is the most important thing about installing a new roof. And you can see the nail head itself is laying flush to the side of the shingle. No nails are being overdriven. And also the placement of the nails has to be fastened in specific areas according to the manufacturer. So everything is coming along good. Here we're installing a starter course along the gutter line. Over here, this gentleman's removing and replacing the pipeline. Over here, we're installing the synthetic underlayment. Here we took off the old chimney flashing. We're going to be installing new chimney flashing. Over here, we're installing the ice and water shield around the skylight. One of the biggest problems I notice when installing a new roof, especially architectural roof shingles, is many contractors, they don't fasten the shingles in the correct specified area. And what I find is nails exposed right here where the shingles join together. And just one nail exposed at that key can cause a leak. Now I want to show you exactly how we fasten the shingles into place. I'll show you over here. Here, you can see. Go ahead. Okay, see, there's no nail exposed where the shingles are going together. They leave a big space from here to here, so that next overlapping shingle will be right here. So the closest nail is going to be at least 6 inches away. See what I mean? That's the way architectural shingles should be installed. Okay, now we're working at the valley area, which is one of the most critical areas of the roof. And as I said before, we have to nail away from the valley center line. Otherwise, the home could develop a leak. Every worker, they place a nail here and then about a foot away. Every one of our workers does it exactly the same way. So this way there will never be any nails exposed to the trees. That nail was lifting up ever so slightly, so we hammered it flush. Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you later today. I'll show you the finished product. It'll be in about another hour. We'll be done with this one. Okay, I wanted to show you something before I leave. We're just getting ready to cut the valley here. Now, I wanted to show you something. You see the red chalk line here? We chalked the line from the bottom of the valley all the way up to the top. And now you can see he's cutting it. And this will give the valley a very sharp, straight edge. And as I said before, the nails are fastened at least 9 inches, 10 inches away from the valley center line. So he's cutting right on top of that red chalk line. Okay, both sides of the ridge is completed. Now we're installing the ridge vent. This is the Snow Country Cobra ridge vent from GAF. Now once the ridge vent is fully installed, then we're going to install new cap shingles right on top. And this is very important. It not only will help release a lot of warm, moist air trapped in the attic, but as I said before, it will release condensation. It will prevent condensation buildup and mold. Okay, the new roof is all completed. Everything came out perfectly. Here around the chimney, we installed new apron flashing here. The step flashing that was there originally was in excellent condition, so we were able to use it. If we had to change it, then we would have to take off the wood siding and install new, but thankfully the wood siding, the flashing was all good. Here we installed a new ridge vent. Over here we're installing the new chimney flashing, just cleaning up a little bit. Now the property, we're cleaning up the property. The men are walking around with large magnets, sweeping up the property of any loose nails, staples, screws. So yeah, everything came out absolutely perfect. My name is Steve, is from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Springfield and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.